This guy found the secret to making money online, and it can literally work for anyone who doesn't want to show their face or create their own product. This is considered one of the laziest ways to make money online with AI. But let me explain. Look at this comment section. People are literally just typing the word tea. And every single time someone does that, this account sends them an Amazon affiliate link. They click it, buy it, Harry gets paid. This is one account. Harry Chang has dozens of these accounts, and he's used this exact model to make $2 million. This person he made is not real. She is completely AI generated, and it looks like this.
If you want to know what's inside this juice to get these results, comment juice and I will send it to you. Follow me or I cannot reach you.
This is where I see huge potential because this is something that I have been telling people to do for years. Get on social media, share what you know. And they always say, I just don't want to be on camera, Whitney. Like, I hear what you're saying, but I'm not good. I don't want to be on the camera in the front scene. But they have real good knowledge, real value. They just don't want to be the face. This is a spokesperson for you, for them, whoever. So I connected directly with Harry. I got the full breakdown from him personally, the exact tools he uses and the process. So I'm breaking it all down for you in this video. I'm not selling any courses. I'm just giving you guys step-by-step guidance on how you can do this yourself. You guys ready to get into it? Let's go. Okay, so before we get into it, remember that your results will always be your results, your circumstances, and this video is for educational purposes only. Okay, so this is the business model. You're creating a fictional character, someone that looks and sounds completely real, and the character builds an audience and promotes products for commission or your own products. So here's why this is different from anything else you might have tried online. Number one, you never have to show your face. You already know the pain point there. Number two, you don't need inventory. You're not buying products. You're not drop shipping. You're not managing returns. And I have a whole video tutorial on the Amazon affiliate program because anyone can sign up for that program and get started. I'll put the tutorial up here, but you send your affiliate link to someone. If they make a purchase, you get a cut. And these people are actually commenting wanting this product because they're showing value and reasons why you want this tea. That's why they're buying it. Now there are 4 tools that Harry uses and it only costs him about $130 to $200 a month. So the first thing Harry says, you need to pick a niche. If you are doing this for your business, good news. You already know what your niche is. So Harry makes it very clear that these AI avatars, their target audience, it's best for people who are around like 50 years or older because they can't tell the difference between whether it's AI or real. Now, I wouldn't say that's really the case for everyone, but from personal experience, I do know that some older people really cannot tell the difference whether it's AI or not. But I'm gonna be real, there are a lot of things that I see that I'm like, is that real or is it AI? You just can't tell these days. It's really getting that good. When you're getting started, Harry recommends you doom scroll. So what does that mean? It means you scroll on Instagram looking at other people's profiles. The people that you think look wise or trustworthy, screenshot it. You're not copying them, you're just using them for inspiration. And I'm gonna show you how that works in a second. Now, this inspiration, it could be you. You can use your own picture. For his stuff, he likes to use older, wiser looking people because they look trustworthy. So I'm gonna do one to show you how to do this step by step so you guys can try the exact same thing. So let's head to the computer. Okay, so the first thing Harry says that we need to find an avatar inspiration. So I went to Instagram and I was looking up, I had just put older man just to see what came up, take screenshots. Because what I'm doing this is just for inspiration. And then I'm going to put this in Claude, do a new chat, and then I'm going to add this photo. So I just saved it and I'm gonna add this. And I'm gonna say, turn this man into a prompt for an AI image generator. Make it look like the picture is taken from an iPhone. All right, so I'm gonna get the prompt right here. I want to take this prompt and I want to take it to this tool called Higgsfield. I want to show you how to do it in a second. Okay, so this is the prompt right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this prompt, this tool called Higgsfield. So we're going to do this for a personal team. So it's called Higgsfield AI. When you sign up, you're going to go through this process. Just say beginner, video generation, continue. And then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so when you finally get logged in, you want to do Nano Banana Pro. So you want to click on this. Now I went and put the copy and paste the caption here. And then you want to generate, and you can see that this is a guy, different like versions of him, and they did a good job. He looks really realistic right here, and this one too. So I like this one, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this one, and I'm gonna download this one. I want to start this whole thing with this guy right here. All right, so we found the avatar inspiration. We used Claude to create a description. Now we're here at Higgsfield. And so now we have our image, and this is what Harry says that we should do. So this is the guy that I just downloaded. And what he says is that you take this one thing that you downloaded, the inspiration image or the avatar that you're gonna have, and you're gonna put it in 5 different variations. So I'm just gonna put it right here so you guys can see where we are. So here we are right here. And then he says to put this in 5 different variations. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, start a new prompt. I'm gonna put the one that I like, this guy right here. And so I'm gonna put his image here. Then I'm gonna say keep the framing the same, but put him in a library. But put him in a library, sitting down, and see what they can do for me. So let's see. So what we're gonna do is try and do 5 different variations of this guy. And so we're going to see what they can do for me. And this is good, but I don't like how his hand is coming out here. So I want him just to be like sitting down, like this is a better spot. I'm gonna just take this picture right here. This is a much better picture. To put him in different frames, and I'm gonna say keep the frame the same and put him in a library because at least it's gonna look more natural with him sitting down. So we're gonna put him in different scenarios. So use this picture, keep the frame the same, but let him be put in a library, and we're gonna take him different places. So we're gonna put him in a library. I think he might be good also at a coffee shop. I'll just do another one just to show you some different ways that we can put this guy. Okay, that's really good. Like this looks really good right here. So that just looks so natural right here. Even like he's just taking, oh yeah, this looks good. I love these. So it looks so natural. It's amazing. So you can do anything. So you can put him in a coffee shop, a library, at work, in an office, in a meeting. There's so many things you can do. So now that we have just a couple variations, I'm just showing you how to do this. All right, so we're gonna use this one right here because it doesn't have a lot going on in the background. If you start talking, it won't look weird if the people in the back don't move. So I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, so what we wanna do now is gonna go back to Claude and we're going to add this guy's face here. And we wanna tell them to create a prompt for a realistic voice in HeyGen. Create a prompt for this guy's voice in HeyGen. I'm just gonna put realistic. All right, let's see what it gives me. Okay, so we got the voice prompt. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this. You know what, I'm gonna take this whole thing right here. All right, I'm copying that whole thing and then I'm gonna go over to HeyGen. All right, now what I wanna do is I'm already logged in here. You guys might see a different screen when you actually log in. You wanna click this thing that called make an avatar video from a photo. So you wanna click on that. And then what we wanna do here is we wanna design the voice. So I'm gonna click right here and then I'm gonna go to new voice and then voice design. Now I'm gonna put this guy's voice prompt that Claude gave me. I'm gonna put that in here, the description. And it's going to literally create me a voice. So I'm gonna let you guys see how this is so we can choose which one is the best. Okay, so let's see which voices it came up with.
Well, hello there. It's truly a pleasure to connect with you today. I hope your morning or afternoon is unfolding beautifully. I've always found that a calm approach.
That sounds very natural, wow. Let's see this one.
Well, hello there. It's truly a pleasure to connect.
I'm not crazy about that one.
Well, hello there. It's truly a pleasure to connect with you today. I hope your morning or afternoon is unfolding beautifully.
That's not bad either. That sounds really realistic.
Well, hello there. It's truly a pleasure to connect with you today. I hope your morning or afternoon is unfolding beautifully. I've always found that a calm approach really helps, no matter the situation. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one as a default. I'm gonna show you how cool this is. So what we're gonna do is this is gonna be the voice now, and then I'm going to go to Claude to give us a script. I'm gonna say write a 30-second script with a good hook to teach people about how to overcome themselves for this guy to talk about in HeyGen. And so I'm just gonna let them give me a script. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just take all this right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put the script right here. All right, now I'm gonna upload this photo. I'm super excited to see how this works. I'm super excited to see how this looks. Okay, so now he's got his photo, we have the script, we got the voice. Let's generate this thing and show you the magic. Now, while we're waiting for it to upload the video, I'm gonna show you how to monetize this. So for example, now we use HeyGen. Now let's talk about how to monetize it. And the way to do that is through the affiliate program. So like I showed you earlier, where the woman was promoting the tea from Amazon, and we could do the same thing. So we can go to Amazon and we can find personal finance books for this guy to talk about, because he's talking about self-improving and all that stuff. So I could choose personal finance book. And I have a whole video that I'll link where I talk about the Amazon affiliate program. But if this is the book that I wanted to promote, obviously look at the reviews, make sure it's something that has some substance. You just click here, just get link, and this is your affiliate link once you sign up in the program. And so that's how simple this is to monetize this. All right, now let's see if we have a video.
The biggest thing standing between you and the life you want is you, not the economy, not your competition, not your circumstances, you. Most people are waiting to feel ready, waiting for the fear to go away.
So his whole tech stack is 4 tools: Claude, Higgsfield, 11 Labs, and HeyGen. but you really could just get it down only to 3 and eliminate 11 labs. Now, here's the part that most get wrong. They build the character, make one video, and expect it to blow up. That's not how this works. Harry is very clear on this. When you start, your only job is to grow the account. Don't sell anything yet. Just post content that's genuinely useful to your audience. Tips, advice, information they actually want. Do that until you hit 1,000 followers. Like people in this program though, it doesn't take very long to get 1,000. Many people are getting 1,000 followers in a week just following this process by just posting 10 posts of pure value. And when he says consistently, he means 10 posts a day. Now, before you freak out, remember, you're not getting on camera. You're clicking buttons. You have 5 images of your character and 5 different scripts. That's already 25 videos. There is no excuse to post once a day when you can produce this much content this fast. Once you hit 1,000 followers, you can add a link to your bio, and that's when you can start promoting. And here's how the script works when you're selling something. You open with something that makes people curious. Then you introduce a little fear, not manipulative fear, but just reality. If someone's liver health is bad, you tell them, and then you give them something educational so they actually trust you. And then at the very end, you introduce the product. Not at the beginning, at the end. By that point, they're already bought in. Now, to find products you can promote, I recommend just starting out with Amazon affiliate program. It's a good way to get your feet wet. People trust Amazon, so it's an easy way just to get started. If you're a business owner who already has something to sell, a service, a product, or an offer, do that. Don't take a cut with affiliate products, sell your own products. Your character promotes you, your knowledge, your expertise, just without your face attached to it if that's what you want. That is exactly the use case that I keep coming back to. And the opportunity is real. So all I want to know is, would you do this? Let me know in the comment section. And if you love this video, see how I'm making money selling AI services to businesses where I set it up once and make money every single month with this setup. You can watch that video here. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.